Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to add a color tint to your pictures in Canva using two different methods. Let's start by going to the Elements tab and selecting a picture. Click on the picture, then click Edit. Navigate to the filters where you can choose from a variety of pre-made filters to change the color tone of your image. You can adjust the intensity and colors to your liking. Now, if you want to add a specific color tint to your picture, here's another method. Start by adding a background color to the canvas. Choose a color, let's say a red tint for example. Place the picture on top of this background and adjust the transparency to blend the color with the image. This method is great for creating a colored background for your image. You can experiment with different colors like blue or green, or even gradient colors using the same process. Adjust the transparency to see how the color tint affects the picture. And there you have it, 2 ways to add color tints to your images in Canva. Thank you for watching.